Hello there, it's Alan McGillilvray from Alan McGillilvray Real Estate in Surfers Paradise. Well, this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, we have the Gold Coast Marathon here, and there'll be a lot of people up here for that. And not only will they be enjoying the marathon, but they'll also be enjoying the weather, but we still have some reasonably good weather, and also the beach, the lifestyle, and what goes here on the Gold Coast. Well, real estate is still good buying up here. It's quite cheap, and we're certainly a lot cheaper than interstate Melbourne and Sydney. So it gives those people that can sell there in Melbourne and Sydney, come up here, buy up here, and have money over, so which is good. Also, if you're thinking of looking at more properties for sale, you can go to our webpage, www.alanmcgillivray.com.au. Now, if you're thinking if you want to permanently let your unit, we handle permanent renting, and you own a unit up here, and you'd like an idea of what you believe your property could get, just give us a call, or if you're on the Gold Coast, come up here, and we'd love to see you and say hello.